Hadian bagakenhun king atiar kebelas akan bian ke New Trap National Liberation Council Hnlc kalapan pau gejing terang benekran Iasuk no berkesorkar klaim kanu gejing bu kendon. Menteri rangba kejelam Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma haka kendai trik urempang arhajar arpuar. Uloong berkesorkar kepediang sobhai gejing terwai kran Iasuk Hnlc klaim kanu gejing bu kendon naga bentaban penne ya ke syongsuk syongsan. Uloong berkesorkar jela kelas sedang meniat cekmat ban Pynkhreh ketuk kerteng jong kireu pau kemat ban long ki Ksiang. Nraya mentahi kesorkar kadang ab ban yok diang shwa ya kejing to naga Hnlc ha kebede bagejing kwa ekran sukno. Uloong bah maria yok diang ya kesiti naga Hnlc on sepentip kesorkar pedeng. Bat hadian beladap ekran bat kesorkar pedeng on sepenya cekmat ekran kam ekran Iasuk bat ke Hnlc.
That there was a press release that was given by the Hnlc, where they have expressed that they would like to have discussion and talks with the government, and that these will be unconditional, and in the interest of peace, they would like to move in this direction. And based on that, the government of Meghalaya has already started going through different names for interlocutor, and we welcome the step that has been taken. And we are now awaiting a formal written letter from their side expressing the same that they have mentioned in the press release, because as a government we'll have to get an official communication. But while we wait for the communication, the government has already started taking steps for identifying individuals who could be interlocutors also. And once we receive the official communication, we will then communicate to Government of India, and after discussion with Government of India, we will initiate all the required processes. And as I said, this is a welcome move. We are all wanting peace to be there in the long run, and therefore this entire communication is a positive, is in a positive direction. But as I said, that we will be waiting for the official communication from their side. So we will be we'll be selecting people from, in general, from society, from different backgrounds, and of course, what is important is that these people should be people who have enough experience, who have, have the necessary, I should say, qualities to negotiate well and discuss and talk in these matters. People who understand the subject well. So it will be a very broad kind of a thing. We have already, in fact, made a panel, and those panel of names have already been sent to me. And we have already had a meeting with the Home Minister, the Deputy Chief Minister, and other senior officials of the Government of Meghalaya, and we have already gone through those names.